palm oil and chocolate. Step 1. Peel all the fruit.
A few moments later.
Step 2. Wash the fruit that has been peeled and cut into pieces. Step 3. Skewer the cut fruit. This is after all the fruit has been pierced. Step 4. Put all the fruit in the freezer. Step 5. Leave in the freezer for 1 day.
2,000 years later.
Heat water using a stove. While waiting for the water to boil, cut the chocolate. Put the chopped chocolate into a container. After the water boils, put the container containing the chocolate into a pan containing hot water. Add a little oil and stir until the chocolate melts.